Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning to fix your Ticketmaster barcode which is not showing. So here's your mobile ticket display and app fix. Fix one, add tickets to your mobile wallet. Open the Ticketmaster app and go to My Events. Tap on your specific event to open the uh, ticket details, then look right below the blank ticket area and tap on Add to Apple Wallet on iOS or Save to Google Wallet if you are on Android. Open your phone's wallet app, the barcode or NFC, hold near reader, tap on icon which will load instantly without requiring a cellular internet connection. Fix 2, access tickets via a mobile web browser. Close the Ticketmaster app completely. Open your phone's web browser, for example Safari or Chrome, and navigate directly to Ticketmaster.com. Sign into your account, tap on your profile icon, and select My Tickets. Select your event. The web version uses a lighter data script and will typically display the barcode or save text animation immediately. Fix 3. Disable active VPNs and ad blockers. Open your smartphone settings or your privacy app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or any tracking blockers. Turn off any active VPN connections. If you use a custom private DNS or ad blocking browser extension, disable it temporarily. Force close and reopen the Ticketmaster app to let your real local IP address load the secure barcode servers. Fix 4. Clear app data and force refresh. For iPhone, you can go to Settings, select General, and then go to iPhone Storage. Find your Ticketmaster and tap on Offload app. Then tap Reinstall to clear the cache without deleting your login status. For Android, you can go to Settings, select Apps, and then select Ticketmaster. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. Relaunch the app, log back in, and allow the digital ticket assets to download freshly. Fix 5. Disconnect from venue Wi-Fi and use mobile data. Swipe down to open your phone's control panel and turn off Wi-Fi. Ensure your mobile data or cellular data is turned on and showing a stable connection like LTE or 5G. Pull down on the My Events screen inside the Ticketmaster app to force a manual network refresh. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.